Hey everyone! Welcome to JCAB Tutoring. Today we're going to learn about 3 little words that can be a bit tricky in Spanish. A, te, and el no, la, los, las. These all mean the in English. Don't worry, I'll make it super easy. First up is a. Think of a as meaning to. It connects things. Here are some examples. Going somewhere. When you're going to a place, use a. Example, I go to school. Voy a la escuela. Example, we're going to the park. Vamos al parque. Giving something to someone. Use a to connect the giver and the receiver. Example, I give the book to my friend. Doy el libro a mi amigo. Time? At what time? Example, the class is at 3 p.m. La clase es a las 3 de la tarde. A helps connect where you're going, who you're giving something to, and what time something happens. It's like glue. Next is de. De usually means of or from. It shows where something comes from or who owns it. Here are some examples. Showing possession. Whose is it? Use de. Example, the book is Maria's. El libro es de María. Showing origin. Where is it from? Use de. Example, I'm from Mexico. Soy de Mexico. Example, it's a wooden table. Es una mesa de madera. So, de shows where something comes from or who owns it. Easy peasy. Last we have el, la, los, and las. These all mean the, but Spanish words have genders. Everything is either masculine or feminine. El is for masculine singular words. Example, the dog is small. El perro es pequeño. La is for feminine singular words. Example, the house is big. La casa es grande. Los is for masculine plural words. Example, the dogs are small. Los perros son pequeños. Las is for feminine plural words. Example, the houses are big. Las casas son grandes. You have to know if a word is masculine or feminine and singular or plural to choose the right, the. Important notes. Al and del. Sometimes a and de combine with el. A plus el becomes al. Example, I'm going to the movies. Voy al cine. De plus el becomes del. Example, the teacher's car is new. El carro del profesor es nuevo. That's all for today. Now you know how to use a, de, and el, la, los, las. Keep practicing and you'll be a pro in no time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your own example sentences. Adios.